Hey everyone, my name is Sean Hodgins and welcome back to my channel. So a few months ago I did a video series on building a Arduino neural network robot basically from scratch. And that was on the Make YouTube channel and I'll leave a link to it below. But now actually I have to build 10 more of these. So this is just a build video of a neural network Arduino robot army. Let's go. Okay, as usual, I started with the solder paste and a stencil to put the surface mount components on. Now I'm going to use the soldering iron to fix any bridges or mistakes that the solder paste left and put the through-hole components on, and then we'll program them all and they'll be done. Okay, we got all 10 robots assembled. Now I just need to program them, test everything out, and then we'll set them loose and see what they do. Okay, this should be awesome. I've got them all programmed. They all seem to be working. Got the batteries hopefully charged, and they're all waiting in the next room with the light off, and they're just sitting not moving because there's no light. I've got a flashlight. I've pre-trained the neural networks, so let's go see what happens. You can hear them. They're all running into each other. Alright, let's turn the light on. Doing no phases. So as you can see, some of them actually trained a bit weird. They were just spinning in circles, and that can happen when the light is fully on. Whatever the training decided to do, that was the outcome when it's fully lit from above. So it spins in circles, but once you give it like a partial shadow, it runs straight towards that shadow. Also, there's this little OLED tag on the screen for the screen protector that can be removed, but I'm leaving it on for now. That may have been blocking the one side photoresistor, causing them also to skew to the one side. But it was cool seeing them just scatter and move away from the flashlight. Really interesting. That's how it works with neural networks. You need to play with them and tune them, and you don't really know the outcome. They're all different. Every single one behaves slightly different because of the randomness of the neural network and its initialization. Okay, so if you haven't checked out the 3-part series of building an Arduino neural network robot on the Make channel, I suggest you do. It gives you all the steps on how this was actually built, basically from scratch, using an actual Arduino for prototyping, doing all that, and then ordering the PCBs, assembling them. Also, if you want to order this circuit board for this robot, or really any circuit board for that matter, PCBWay has graciously given me a discount code for the next 100 people, and you'll get $10 off. The discount code is Sean's PCBs. So if you use that and you're within the 100 people, you'll get $10 off your next PCBWay order. So hurry up. You don't have to get my boards, get whatever you want. So these 10 robots are off to my university to teach kids about neural networks and open source and robotics and all types of things. So that's really cool. And if you enjoy my projects and my videos, hit that like button, maybe subscribe, and consider becoming a patron because it funds these fun, cool projects that are open source that you can build for free. You just have to download all the parts and then order the materials. It's really that simple. Anyways, everyone, you know the deal. Be good and have a good night.